Hello, everyone. Welcome to the News Browse News broadcast. The U.S. stock market remained near its record highs on Monday, despite surging oil prices and heightened geopolitical tensions. Brent crude jumped 2% to $110.37 barrel, briefly topping 114, driven by uncertainty over the Strait of Hormuz. Conflicting reports emerged regarding a possible Iranian strike on a U.S. Navy vessel near Iran, which Iran claimed was due to violating maritime security and navigation norms. The U.S. military swiftly denied these claims, stating that two American-flagged merchant ships had successfully transited the strait. Despite the ongoing war with Iran, Wall Street maintains hope that the global economy can avert a worst-case scenario, with companies like Tyson Foods and Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings reporting mixed but generally positive results. GameStop's surprising bid to acquire eBay also made headlines. This report is from the Canadian Press. The evacuation order for Sandy Beach, Alberta, has been lifted following a wildfire that began over the weekend. Sturgeon County announced late Sunday that the fire, which ignited on Saturday, is now under control. Fire crews from multiple jurisdictions, including Sturgeon County, Morinville, Alexander First Nation, Parkland County, and Loch State Anne County, responded to the blaze. Upon arrival, firefighters found cabins fully engulfed in flames, with the fire also spreading to surrounding trees and grass. While the cause of the fire is still under investigation, officials confirmed that at least 3 homes were destroyed and a 4th was damaged. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported. This news was reported by Global News. The Canadian Press reports that Loblaw cause Libertida has announced a strategic partnership with Shakudo, a Canadian artificial intelligence company. Under this agreement, Loblaw will leverage Shakudo's platform to develop and deploy various AI applications. This collaboration aims to establish a centralized and consistent environment for Loblaw's teams, streamlining their efforts in AI innovation. Charu Pujari, Senior Vice President of Engineering and AI at Loblaw, emphasized that this partnership will allow their teams to concentrate on solving critical business challenges rather than dedicating resources to foundational infrastructure. Loblaw, known as the parent company of Loblaw's grocery stores and Shoppers Drug Mart, is also focusing on implementing robust internal protocols to ensure the secure integration of AI applications with its existing enterprise systems. This move signifies Loblaw's commitment to advancing its AI capabilities across its extensive retail operations. According to a new TD survey conducted by the Canadian Press, a growing number of Canadians intend to save or invest their tax refund this year, a significant shift in financial priorities driven by ongoing economic uncertainty. The survey indicates that 47% of respondents plan to save their refund, a substantial increase from 29% last year. This trend is particularly pronounced among the Gen Z demographic, with 63% planning to save their refund, up from 30% in 2025. Furthermore, 33% of Gen Z respondents plan to invest the money, exceeding the national average of 25%. Aaron Clark, Senior Vice President of Everyday Banking at TD Bank, suggests that young Canadians are building financial confidence and long-term stability through accessible investment options like tax-free savings accounts. Beyond saving and investing, the survey also found that more taxpayers are prioritizing practical uses for their refunds, such as paying down debt, over a third, up from 23% last year, or covering day-to-day expenses, 1/4, up from 18% a year ago, rather than booking travel or splurging. The survey polled 1,521 Canadians via the Leger opinion panel between March 26 and March 30, with a margin of error of plus or minus 2.5%, 19 times out of 20. Transat and Porter Airlines are advancing their commercial partnership by introducing new Transat vacation packages that integrate Porter's nonstop flights to popular South destinations. These new offerings include direct flights to Nassau and Grand Cayman, alongside expanded flight options for existing destinations like Cancun and Puerto Vallarta, operated by either Porter or Transat. According to Renee Boisvert, Vice President, Tour Operator Products at Transat, these additions significantly enhance Transat's South portfolio and offer travelers more choice. Edmund Eldebs, Senior Vice President and Chief Commercial Officer at Porter Airlines, highlighted the success of Porter's initial entry into South markets with air-only products and emphasized the seamless experience offered by combining Porter's elevated flying with Transat's package expertise. The new packages will be available from Toronto, Ottawa, and Hamilton for travel commencing on or after November 1st, 2026. This initiative follows a joint venture agreement signed between Air Transat and Porter in late 2023 to connect their complementary networks. This news comes from newswire.ca. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.